Affiliate marketing is often labeled as a lazy way to make money, and in many ways it is. Unlike traditional businesses, you don't have to create your own product, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Instead, you partner with a company that already has a product, and your only job is to promote it. But here's the thing, there's a right way and a wrong way to do affiliate marketing. Some methods require a ton of effort, like manually pitching products to people, while others allow you to generate passive income with minimal ongoing work. And let's be clear, lazy doesn't mean ineffective. I define lazy as smart, efficient, and scalable, working less while earning more. Some people spend years grinding, while others apply smarter strategies and make significantly more in less time. Affiliate marketing is about being in the second group. So, if you're ready to work smarter, not harder, here are the 6 best ways to do affiliate marketing with the least effort and the highest return. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most hands-off ways to make money online. You don't have to create a product, handle refunds, or manage customer support. The vendor does all of that for you. Your only job? Drive traffic to the product using the methods below. Once you set things up properly, you can earn commissions on autopilot, making this one of the easiest ways to generate income online. Point 2. Faceless YouTube channels, passive traffic that pays for years. One of the most powerful ways to succeed in affiliate marketing is through faceless YouTube channels. This is how to get started. Create simple videos like top 5 or top 10 lists with voiceovers and stock footage. You don't even need to show your face. All you need is 1. A free editing tool like CapCut, OpenShot, or iMovie. 2. Stock footage from platforms like Storyblocks or Pexels. 3. A microphone, or even AI-generated voiceovers. Once uploaded, these videos keep working for you, bringing in views and affiliate sales for years. The videos will continue to generate thousands of dollars monthly, even in months when you don't upload a single new video. And for those who say, running a YouTube channel isn't lazy, think about this. If a single video keeps making you money long after you've uploaded it, how can that not be one of the smartest and laziest ways to earn? 3. Promote high payout digital products. More money, fewer sales. Not all affiliate products are created equal. If you're promoting low commission items from Amazon, you might earn just a few dollars per sale. Instead, focus on high-ticket digital products like online courses or software, where you can make $250 to $500 plus per sale. For example, if you promote a $1,000 course with a 50% commission, that's $500 per sale. Sell just 20 in a month, and you're making $10,000 plus per month. Far easier than trying to sell hundreds of low-ticket items. Where to find high-paying products? Visit these websites clickbank.com, dgstore24.com, and always test the product yourself before promoting it. You want to recommend quality offers that genuinely help people. This leads to repeat customers and long-term success. Point 4. Buy Instagram shoutouts. Instant traffic without an audience. Want fast affiliate sales without building an audience? Buy shoutouts on Instagram theme pages. These are large accounts, hundreds of thousands of followers, that post niche-related content. How it works. 1. Find a popular theme page in your niche on shoutcart.com. 2. Pay for a post promoting your affiliate product. 3. Drive traffic from their followers straight to your link. This is perfect if you want quick results without the long-term grind of building an audience from scratch. Point 5. Promote recurring subscription products. Get paid for years. Some affiliate programs pay you only once per sale, but others keep paying you month after month. The best recurring commissions come from software subscriptions. If someone signs up through your link and stays subscribed, you keep earning every month for as long as they remain a customer. You can make $1,000 plus per month by simply recommending AI tools on your YouTube channel. Review the best AI video editors, text-to-speech software, and marketing tools, then add your affiliate links in the video description. Great software to promote. Small Blue Diamond Pictory, AI video editor. Small Blue Diamond Snappa, image editing software. Small Blue Diamond vidIQ, YouTube analytics tool. This is one of the smartest, most passive ways to do affiliate marketing. Point 6. Build an email list, the ultimate lazy strategy. If you want long-term control over your affiliate business, build an email list. The easiest way? Create a simple opt-in page offering a free guide, checklist, or mini course in exchange for an email. Then, send traffic from YouTube, Instagram, or ads to that page. Once people subscribe, you can send them affiliate offers again and again, turning your list into a long-term income machine. You can build opt-in pages easily using white heavy checkmark ClickFunnels. White heavy checkmark Kajabi bonus tips for maximizing affiliate profits. 1. Create your own digital product. Once you master affiliate marketing, take it to the next level by creating your own product like a course. Small Blue Diamond recruit affiliates to sell for you. You can sell your course on Digistore 24. 2. Focus on semi-passive traffic sources. If you want long-term, low-effort income, use semi-passive platforms like YouTube. Unlike social media posts that disappear in 24 hours, YouTube videos stay online forever, continuing to drive traffic and sales long after they're uploaded. That's the power of semi-passive affiliate marketing. Final thoughts. Work smarter, not harder. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be hard. You just need to use the right strategies. Whether it's faceless YouTube channels, high-ticket products, Instagram shoutouts, or email lists, the key is leverage, doing the work once and getting paid over and over. Want a step-by-step guide to starting a faceless YouTube channel? Check the resources, link in description. It's packed with tips on choosing niches, creating content, and monetizing effectively. Please, the only request I want from you is to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.